In my day job, or as some people would say, in my spare time, I work for Union Investment Real Estate, which is the real estate subsidiary of one of the larger asset managers in Germany. The mothership, Union Investment, based in Frankfurt, has something like 265 billion euros of assets under management, and we are the real estate subsidiary, currently market leaders. For many years we were number 2. There's another firm with a red logo which kept sort of position number 1. At that time always said it's not important, size doesn't matter. But ever since we've overtaken the guys, we think size is very important because it gives you scale and all the synergies you need. I'm head of the international transactions team. That is, I buy and sell real estate for the core funds which we are running around the world outside the Eurozone. This is not because I don't believe in the Euro, it's just that we have decided that there's core Europe, the Eurozone, and there is the world outside that covers the UK, which clearly is not a Eurozone country, as you all know, will never be. Maybe it will even be the European Union, and there is Asia Pacific and the Americas. I run a team based in Hamburg, in Singapore, and New York. But that's really my spare time job now, because I have the honor for 1 year, starting on the 1st of July this year, for another few months to go. I've got my feet under the table now at Parliament Square at RICS. I'm the 134th president of the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors. I'm the first continental European, so again, the continental theme coming in, and it's a real honor, and I'm delighted. If anybody wants to join RICS or wants to talk about CPD or whatever in the break or afterwards, feel free to contact me. That was 2 minutes roughly, wasn't it?
That was 2 minutes,
yeah.
And you also get CPD points for being here.
Well,
how exciting could it be?
And I hope you've got the app on your iPhone, so you can actually do it straight away. So thank you.
We can have double points because you're here.
Exactly, yeah, that's what we should
Quadruple because we're on the panel with
do. Great, Will.
Yeah, Will Rowson, partner at Hodes Weill in London. We're a global company that deal with various things, mainly raising capital for people around the world. So we get an interesting view of capital flows, but we also do some M&A advisory. We just helped sell a big business in Canada, and we're having a couple of conversations like that in Europe. It's getting to that stage of the market where 1 or 2 people are thinking about selling their businesses. So yeah, really, I was a colleague of Johnny's at CBRE, but on the global investors side until about 6 months ago, where I was CIO for Europe, and then moved from a 550-person company to 28.
Anyway, but just as profitable.
We'll see at the end of the year.
Great, David.
Yeah, David Ryland. I'm partner at Hastings. I'm responsible for corporate real estate in Europe, and we're sort of very actively involved in the market on a cross-border basis, dealing with a wide range of real estate assets and all the different sort of underlying asset classes, primarily approaching it from a sort of structural tax sort of fund or joint venture perspective, or from the finance perspective. And at the moment we're heavily involved in a lot of cross-border related transactions.
Great, Johnny.
I'm Johnny Hull. I'm based in London. I lead our capital markets business for CBRE in Europe. As Will said, we used to be together, separate sides of our business, but I think for us, we've had a very busy year. I think the fourth quarter for us looks probably even busier than it's been for the previous 3. So it'll be quite an interesting debate just to think about, where all the money's coming from and where it's going to end up. But it's certainly an interesting discussion. So
great, thank you.
Glad to be here.
And Thomas, you're obviously, as well as the advisory side, there's also a fund side to Catella.
Yeah, it's a Catella group, which means fund business, advisory on valuation and development. So this again, running out from Sweden, but I'm located in Frankfurt.